channel Mathematical Spectrum. I am Arya Ashi. I am studying in class 11. In today's section, we are discussing about trigonometric identities and then we will discuss the previous board exam questions. Okay. So now we can discuss the trigonometric identities. You have to remember the three major identities from this chapter, and the first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. The second one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. The third identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now we can discuss the previous question. So this is the previous question of the year 2013. Okay. The question says if x is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree and 2 sin square x is equal to 1 by 2, we have to find the value of x. Okay. So first of all we can write the given data, and given that 2 sin square x is equal to 1 by 2. From this case we can write sin square x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That means it's equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So sin x will be equals to plus or minus root of 1 by 4. That is equal to plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. Okay. And it's further given that x lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay. And the theta lies or x lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Which means that the angle will lies in the first quadrant. Okay. And from the second section we know that in this first quadrant all trigonometric ratios will be positive. Okay. So we can positive value. So our answer, okay, so we can derive that sin x is equal to 1 by 2, which implies x will be equals to 30 degree. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay. Now we can discuss the second question. The second question says if cot theta plus 1 by cot theta is equal to 2, we have to find the value of cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta. Okay. So given that cot theta plus 1 by cot theta equals to 2. Okay. So we can just square this one. So on squaring cot theta plus 1 by cot theta, the whole square will be equals to 2 square, that is equal to 4. Okay. And this is of the form of a plus b the whole square. So that will be equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So a square means it is cot square theta. B square means it is 1 by cot theta the whole square, which is equal to 1 by cot square theta. Okay. 1 by cot square theta. Plus 2 into a into b. So which is a cot theta into b. B is equal to 1 by cot theta. So this will be equals to 4. Okay. So now we can write cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta plus 2, because we can cancel this one. This is equal to 2. Now the question asked is to find the value of cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta. So this will be this is a question. Okay. So this can be written as 4 minus 2. That means cot square theta plus 1 by cot square theta can be written as 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now we can discuss the third question. The third question is to prove that cos theta divided by cosec theta plus 1 plus cos theta divided by cosec theta minus 1 is equal to 2 tan theta. Okay. So this can from this question we can take cos theta common. So cos theta can be taken outside into 1 by cosec theta plus 1 plus 1 by cosec theta minus 1. Okay. So this can be written as cos theta into, okay, so we have to make the denominator same. So we have to cross multiply this one. Okay. So 1 into cosec theta minus 1 will be equals to cosec theta minus 1 plus 1 into cosec theta plus 1. So it will be equals to cosec theta plus 1 divided by cosec theta plus 1 into cosec theta minus 1. Okay. And this can be written as cos theta into this cosec theta and cosec theta will add to get 2 cosec theta. Okay. Cosec theta and this minus 1 and 1 will get cancelled. Divided by, this is of the form of a plus b into a minus b. So this a plus b into a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. Okay. So a square minus b square form. So we have to write as cosec square theta minus 1 square, that is 1. Okay. And this can be written as cos theta into 2 cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Okay, 1 by sin theta divided by Okay, this is a trigonometric identity. We already studied the trigonometric identity. 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, 1 plus sec square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. So we can write this cosec square theta minus 1. So cosec square theta minus 1 will be equals to cot square theta. Okay. So this can be further written as cot square theta. This can be written as cot square theta. Okay. So we got the final result as 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta divided by sin theta divided by cot square theta. So this cot square theta can be written as 1 by tan square theta, or we can write as cos square theta divided by sin square theta. Now we can cancel 1 cos theta from here and also 1 sin theta. So it will be equals to 2 divided by cos theta by sin theta. This is equal to 2 sin theta by cos theta. So it is equal to 2 tan theta. Thus we proved it. Okay. Now we can discuss the next question. Okay. The question is, if alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree, sin alpha is equal to 1 by 3, we have to find the value of sin beta. Okay. So this alpha plus beta is given as 90 degree. So we can write alpha as 90 minus beta. Okay. And it is further given that sin alpha is equal to 1 by 3. So we can write 90 minus beta instead of this alpha. Okay. So sin 90 minus beta is equal to 1 by 3. So we have to first check the quadrant in which this angle lies. Okay. So from the second section we know, and from the, okay, this is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180, 360, 180, 270, etc. Okay. So 90 minus beta will be in the first quadrant. In this first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. So we have to give a plus sign here, and then okay, and since the angle is of the form of 90 plus or minus beta, okay, we have to change this trigonometric function to its co-function. That means sin will change it to cos. Okay, so this will be equal to cos beta, and cos beta is equal to 1 by 3. So now we get the value of cos beta. So we are asking to find the value of sin beta. So we have to consider right triangle. Okay, right triangle with one angle as beta. So here cos beta is given as 1 by 3, or we got this cos beta as 1 by 3. So cos beta will be equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse. So this ABC. So we can write from the Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So AB square will be equals to AC square minus BC square. AC is given as 3. So 3 square minus BC 1 square. That is 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So AB will be equals to root of 8. Okay. It will be equals to root of 8. So AB is equal to root of 8. Okay. Now we have to find the value of sin beta. So sin beta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. That is equal to root 8 by 3. So root 8 can also written as root of 4 into 2 by 3. So that is root 4 is equal to 2. So 2 root 2 by 3 will be the answer. Okay. Now we can discuss the next question. So this is a question which is asked in the year 2016. Okay. And the question is, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, we have to find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So we can write this expression also as 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is of the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b will be equals to a square minus b square. So a is 1, so 1 square minus b square. So b is sin theta. So sin theta square, sin square theta. Okay. Sin square theta divided by, this is also of the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we can write this also as 1 a square minus b square. So 1 minus cos theta the whole square, which is equal to cos square theta. Now from the trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we can write this 1 minus, okay, 1 minus sin square theta as what? Cos square theta, and we can write this 1 minus cos square theta as sin square theta. So we can just substitute it here. So it will be equals to cos square theta divided by sin square theta. Okay, sin square theta, or we can also write this as cos theta divided by sin theta the whole square. Okay, What is cos theta by sin theta? Yes, it is cot theta. Okay, so it is cot theta the whole square, or it is equal to cot square theta. Here cot theta is already given as 7 by 8. So cot square theta will be equals to 7 by 8 the whole square, which is equal to 49 by 64. So this will be the answer to this question. Okay. Today we have completed the chapter trigonometry. Next day onwards I will be starting the applications of trigonometry. If you have any doubts, you can comment. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.